Yo traders, welcome to the Forex Kingdom. Here we are now going to provide real information, unlike you see in most of these YouTube videos. The get quick rich scheme. I made 50 grand here, 50 grand there. Look, it doesn't happen like that, and really that is the main thing you have to get into your heads. So before we get into this, I just want to introduce myself. My name's Blake, and we're here on a journey to provide education, information, and we're also going to be starting live London to New York sessions. It's the only time we trade, and we're going to give you 3 reasons on the mistakes we made to start with and how we corrected them and how we have started to succeed in the trading industry. Now, let's get into the 3 lessons which I can't stress enough on what you have to follow. And lesson number 1 is trading high volume sessions. If you're working a day job, 90% of people are when they first start, you have to find the balance where you can trade London, trade New York, even if it's pre-London, pre-New York. I can't stress that enough. When I first started, I was working a 9 to 5 job. I couldn't trade between them times. I'm from the UK, London, 7 o'clock. I could take a quick look, about to be out the door by London Open. New York, middle of the day for me. So I was only coming home and I was going on the charts. It was 6 o'clock at night. I was looking, trying to take a trade. What is there? There's no volume. What did I do? Blew an account. Well, that was lesson number 1 learned. Did I learn it straight away? No, because I didn't know what I was doing. So, put some more money in, and it was only when you start looking at other YouTubers and live streams and what they were trying to get into everyone else's head. Some people took it, some people didn't. And I just thought, fuck it. They're doing something right, so I'm just going to follow their plan and see how it plans out for me. So started taking trades in high volume sessions. I was planning on London Open 8 o'clock. I thought if I can find a setup before London Open, if I can get in and hold it, I might win. That's how it was at the start, until you really start learning how things work. I didn't have a clue. I'm going to be straight honest. Went in there thinking, yep, I'm going to be a millionaire next week. I'm going to be retired at 25. Have 3 Lamborghinis, 4 hookers, and yeah, live the high life. Nah, Blake was fucking wrong. So, what did I do? From the very start, I sat down, I wrote a plan out. Other people are getting rich. I want to. So I sat down and I wrote a trading plan. When should I take trades? How many trades should I take a day? How much should I risk? I was going in blind. I put £1,000 on an account. I didn't know. I wasn't having stop losses. So how there's me putting a trade on. I didn't know where to put stop loss. I didn't know nothing. And then, started watching a few streams. I tell you what, I learned 90% of my trading from Roger Banks. I ain't going to lie. Guy's an absolute... He's not even human. If it wasn't for him, I probably would have quit and stuck to my 9 till 5, slaving away, getting other people rich. But I thought, no, I've never ever been a failure or a quitter. So I sat down and I wrote this plan out, and I stuck by it, because I think if I didn't stick by it, I would have just gone down the path of blow an account, blow an account, blow an account. There's a saying called Redeposit Monday, and I thought, yeah, that could easily be me if I don't follow this plan. Now, to get into this plan, I put only trade high volume sessions, and I was only trading. I couldn't trade New York unless I had a day off or I tried to find setups. So I was really sticking to London. It was my time. It was a good time for me. So that is rule number 1. Trade high volume sessions. Number 2. Only take 1 to 2 trades per day. Now I can't stress that enough, because when I first started, I'd take a trade, or I lose that, I'll take another trade because I know I can win that one back. No, trust me, because it goes in an absolute joke of the day, because it goes, oh, I've lost a trade, oh, I've just lost 60 quid, so I can win that back on the next one. Enter a trade. Oh, shit, I've just lost another 60 quid. That's fine, I will double my lot size so I can win that back. I've just lost another 120 quid. And that went on for quite a while, if I'm honest, because I wasn't listening to myself going, you should only be taking 1 or 2 trades a day. Now, that was my fault, and I'm not going to lie about it. So I sat down, and I'm not going to lie, probably blew 5, 6 accounts, maybe more, before I actually went, fuck, I just keep losing money here, I may as well just go and gamble my money. So yeah, I ended up going, fuck it, that is it, 1 or 2 trades a day. If I lose the first trade, I'll wait to see if there's another trade set up I can take, and if I can't, I will just leave it and move on to the next day. So that is rule number 2. I can't stress it enough. Do not over trade, because you'll get into a vicious circle of going, I can win this one back, I can win this one back. Where I just said, stick to 1 or 2 trades a day, and if you don't see a turnaround on your profits and your balance after 3 months, revise your trading, because that is what I did, and I stuck to 1 to 2 trades a day, and I seen a massive improvement in my balance, even my stress levels, because you kept going, oh yeah, I can win this one, I can win this one, lose, next one, lose. So that, traders, stick to 1 or 2 trades a day. Now, on to the third and final one, over risking. Yep, we knew that one was coming, because shit, I was just, like I said, put £1,000 in the account. Yep, we'll put a fucking 1 lot on this one, because I'm going to win big. Remember, I want to be a millionaire. Well, little did I know. Yep, put 1 lot on, let it go. Oh shit, 300 quid down. Right, it's alright, can win this one back? No. Right, I'm not going to bore you on any more today, because I have a load more content to come out, and I will be getting a webcam, by the way. The dog decided to chew my lead, so I'm a bit stuck on webcams until my new one comes down. Now, to finish this video, I do just want to going over risk. Never ever risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Now, we've all done it. We've just gone in blind, smashed it out, and blew an account straight up. And I tell you now, ever since I've lost, the biggest I've ever lost was NFP. Oh yeah, I said it. Anyone ever seen that video of the lad going in? NFP dropped and he's like, buy. Well, yeah, I thought, fuck it, he's done it, I can do it. What did I do? Yeah, thing dropped, Bye. No, all I did was said goodbye to my account because that thing kept fucking melting. So all I can say is risk 1% to 2% per trade, 1 to 2 trades a day, and stick to high volume sessions. I can't stress these 3 mistakes that I've made by not following them. I started following them and listening to myself, and well, my trading has become so much better. I'm not 100%, and people think that they win every single trade every single day. I wouldn't believe a word they said, because you can have the best trader in the world out there and they will not win every single trade. So if you ever hear someone saying that, run a mile, because they're fucking bullshit. Now, to wrap this up, I just want to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and we have plenty more coming out. This was my first video, so I don't even know how it's gone, but I just want to get this out. We're going to get a lot more content out, get some live streams out, and we'll do some live sim sessions. We'll just go live streaming so everyone can come in, they can chat, and we can hammer this journey together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.